Finsko mesto Vanta je gostilo več kot 200 ljubiteljev preskakovanja ovir s prav posebnim konjičkom, za katere pa je navijalo več kot 1000 gledalcev.
The best thing about hobby horsing is, I think, the community, especially the community, and also the limitless imagination you can use. Like only the sky is the limit, I think.
Tekmujejo večinoma dekleta in ženske stare od 10 do 20 let.
Well, I think this is the girl thing mostly, because this is where girls can be kind of free. There's no boys like coming and saying what they need to do or like bossing around.
Konjički na palici, ki jih uporabljajo, pa so izdelani doma, prav tako jih krasijo številni dodatki. Čeprav niso živi, imajo imena, kot so Katanoga Koko in Panda.
It's very bizarre to other people to see, like for the first time especially, to see this kind of stuff, because they think that we think the horse is alive, which we do not. We understand that it's dead. Made of fabric and something, and all that. Just be open-minded. It's a sport like any other sport, like examples: swimming, rollerblading, football.
Ne glede na to, kaj si zdaj mislite, še podatek. Na Finskem je ta šport navdušil že več kot 10 000 ljudi, razširjen pa je tudi v skandinavskih državah, a kot si najbrž predstavljate, uradne statistike ni.